Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Dwi Marti with ID 006. Here I will explain the culture of a country, namely Brunei Darussalam, in fulfilling the final assignment of the cross-cultural understanding course. So, enjoy the video. The first slide talk about geography. Brunei with the formal name Brunei Darussalam, is sovereign country in Southeast Asia, located on the north coast of the island of Kalimantan. This country has an area of 5,765 square kilometers, which occupies the island of Kalimantan with the entire coastline touching the South China Sea. The territory is separated into state of Sarawak, Malaysia. Jadi, Brunei Darussalam adalah negara yang berdaulat di Asia Tenggara yang terletak di pesisir utara Pulau Kalimantan. Negara ini memiliki luas 5.765 km persegi. Next is history. Brunei Darussalam has a long and complex history. This country was initially controlled by Sriwijaya in the 9th century and then by Majapahit. After Sriwijaya was defeated, Brunei country, the Sultan of Brunei reached its heyday from the 70th centuries when its territory reached the entire island of Kalimantan and the Philippine archipelago. In the 15th century, Islam came and this sultan covered a very wide area down to Palawan Island and the Sulu archipelago in the Philippines. Then, the country was Dutch, Spanish, and British. Brunei officially became an independent country under Sultan Hassan al-Bolkiah on January 1, 1984 after 96 years of British rule. Jadi, Brunei ini awalnya dikuasai oleh Sriwijaya pada abad ke-9 dan kemudian oleh Majapahit. Setelah Sriwijaya dikalahkan, Brunei ini berhasil memperoleh kemerdekaan dan menjadi negara maju. Brunei resmi menjadi negara merdeka di bawah Sultan Hassan al-Bolkiah pada 1 Januari 1984 setelah 96 tahun berada di bawah kekuasaan Inggris. The next slide talk about state symbol. Wings symbolize protection, justice, and peace. The crescent moon symbolizes Islam, Brunei's official religion. The two arms symbolize the government obligation to protect its people. Jadi, Brunei memiliki lambang negara di mana di bendera tersebut ada sayap yang melambangkan perlindungan, keadilan, dan perdamaian. Bulan sabit itu melambangkan Islam, agama resmi Brunei. Kedua lengan tersebut melambangkan kewajiban pemerintah untuk melindungi rakyatnya. The next talk about culture. Brunei the country is famous for its wealth thanks to its abundant oil and natural gas reserve. Brunei's culture is heavily influenced by Islam, which is the country's official religion. Some important aspects of Brunei culture include the first, religion and tradition. Islam is the main religion and greatly influences daily life, law, and custom in Brunei. There are many magnificent mosques and religious activities such as congregational prayers and celebration of major Islamic holidays such as Ramadan and Eid al-Fitr are very important. The second, monarchy system. Brunei is constitutional monarchy with the Sultan as head of state. The Sultan of Brunei, who is also the Prime Minister, plays an important role in the country's political and cultural life. Jadi negara Brunei dikenal dengan kekayaannya berkat cadangan minyak dan gas alamnya yang melimpah. Beberapa aspek penting dari budaya Brunei meliputi yang pertama adalah agama dan tradisi, dan yang kedua adalah sistem monarki. Third, language and literature. Malay is the official language of Brunei, although English is also widely used in business and government. Brunei literature reflects traditional and Islamic value, with works often focusing on history, culture, and religion. Brunei traditional arts include handicrafts such the fourth, arts and craft, as weaving, wood carving, and songket weaving. Traditional dance and gamelan music are also an important part of Brunei artistic culture. Yang tiga adalah bahasa dan sastra. Bahasa Melayu adalah bahasa resmi Brunei. Yang keempat adalah seni dan kerajinan, seperti tenun, ukiran kayu, dan tenun songket.
Bermohon sembah berhajat, hajat berasal kayangan puri.
The next slide is character. The people Brunei Darussalam are known as friendly, polite, and have a strong culture. They really appreciate etiquette and manners in interacting. With a calm and relaxed attitude, the majority of population is Muslim, so religious life is very important and many social activities center on mosque and religious events. Families and communities play a central role with close relationship and mutual assistance. Although they adhere to tradition and custom, Bruneian people are also open to modernization and technology. Traditional polite clothing such as the baju, Melayu, and tudung are highly valued, and there is high respect for the Sultan and the royal family as wise leaders. Jadi, berbicara mengenai karakter, masyarakat Brunei Darussalam dikenal dengan ramah, sopan, dan mempunyai budaya yang kuat. Mereka sangat menghargai tata krama dan sopan santun dalam berinteraksi dengan menghargai sikap tenang dan santai. Okay, next is Brunei traditional clothing. Talk about traditional clothing. Brunei have traditional clothing, and we can see on the PPT that is traditional clothing, namely is baju tudung. You can see that the girl use the tudung and baju kurung, and the boy use songkok and sinjang. The next is traditional food from Brunei Darussalam, and this is the most popular food in Brunei Darussalam. First, ambuyat, second, nasi kapau, the third, kulpis, fourth, wajit murong, fifth, pulut panggang, six, ayam salai madu, seven, celurut, eight, kuih cincin, ninth, hati buaya, and tenth, balutak. Is tourist attraction is Masjid James as Hassanil Bolkiah. The first tourist attraction in Brunei Darussalam that you can visit is the James al Hassanil Bolkiah Mosque. This mosque is the largest place of worship for Muslims in Brunei. Because this country is dominated by Muslim, isn't surprising that you see many magnificent mosques here. One of them is this mosque, which was found to commemorate the reign of Sultan Bolkiah Hassanil. Around the mosque, there is artificial lake and also a flower garden. These two objects make this mosque not only place of worship, but can also be used for relaxation and traveling. Jadi masjid ini yang didirikan untuk memperingati masa pemerintahan Sultan Bolkiah Hassanil. Di sekitar masjid terdapat danau buatan dan juga taman bunga. Kedua benda tersebut menjadikan masjid ini tidak hanya sekedar tempat beribadah, namun juga dapat digunakan untuk bersantai dan berwisata. The next is capital city of Brunei Darussalam. Capital city is Bandar Seri Begawan, and Brunei Darussalam have a national anthem, that is Allah Preserve the Sultan. And the currency of Brunei Darussalam is the Brunei Ringgit. Okay, this is we can do when we visit the Brunei Darussalam. 1. Dress modestly. 2. Respect custom and culture. 3. Respect the Islamic religion. 4. Maintain politeness in public place. 5. Obey the local laws. 6. Maintain cleanliness. And 7. Respect the Sultan and the royal family. Ini adalah hal-hal yang boleh kita lakukan sebagai pengunjung ketika mengunjungi Brunei Darussalam. Yaitu yang pertama adalah berpakaian sopan, yang kedua adalah hormati adat dan budaya, ketiga adalah menghormati agama Islam, keempat adalah menjaga kesopanan di tempat umum, yang kelima adalah mematuhi hukum setempat, keenam adalah menjaga kebersihan, dan yang terakhir adalah menghormati sultan dan keluarga kerajaan. The next is done. This is a thing that we cannot do when visit Brunei Darussalam. First is prohibit to buy or drink alcohol in public place. As a Muslim majority country, Brunei Darussalam strictly prohibits the buying and selling of alcohol drinks. However, the government allows non-Muslim aged 17 years and over to carry alcohol. And second is LGBT is strictly prohibited. Brunei Darussalam strictly prohibit lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, queer or LGBT practices. The government doesn't hesitate to take firm action against LGBT perpetrators. Jadi ketika kita mengunjungi Brunei Darussalam, ada juga beberapa yang kita dilarang melakukan hal tersebut. Salah satunya beberapa ini adalah dilarang membeli atau meminum alkohol di tempat umum. Yang kedua adalah LGBT dilarang keras. Brunei Darussalam melarang keras praktik lesbian, gay, biseksual, transgender, atau LGBT. Pemerintahan tidak segan-segan menindak tegas pelaku LGBT. As pornography, possession and distribution of pornography is strictly prohibited in Brunei. Therefore, be careful when taking photos in a bikini on the beach, because Brunei Darussalam has a different concept about sex or pornography from Europe. And the last is drugs. Every country strongly prohibits possession of drugs. In Brunei Darussalam, possession of drugs is punishable by death. Jadi ini juga adalah yang kita tidak boleh lakukan ketika mengunjungi Brunei Darussalam. Salah satunya adalah menggunakan bikini di pantai. Selanjutnya adalah dilarang keras menggunakan narkoba, karena ketika ketahuan menggunakan atau mengonsumsi narkoba akan dihukum mati. Okay, that's all from me. Sorry if there are any more words. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for watching.